This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on virtual desktop. First, ensure your computer comfortably meets the minimum specifications for virtual desktop's smooth operation. You also need to confirm your VR headset, like an Oculus Quest, is fully charged and ready. A stable, high-speed Wi-Fi connection, ideally 5 GHz, is absolutely essential for a seamless and enjoyable experience. Finally, download and install the Virtual Desktop Streamer application on your personal computer before proceeding to the next steps. Next, let's configure Virtual Desktop for connection. Launch the Virtual Desktop Streamer application on your computer first. You will need to enter your Oculus username into the Streamer application to correctly connect your VR headset. Then, put on your VR headset, open Virtual Desktop from within the Headsets menu, and select your computer from the available list. Remember to fine-tune the streaming settings for optimal performance and visual quality, balancing clarity with fluidity for the best results. Now, prepare Roblox on your computer. Download and install the Roblox Player application directly onto your personal computer, just as you normally would. It is crucial to remember not to launch Roblox within the Steam VR environment, as this can cause compatibility issues. Ensure that Roblox is configured to run in full-screen mode for the most immersive experience within your virtual desktop. You might also check your Roblox graphics settings. Lowering them slightly can significantly improve performance in virtual reality. You are almost ready to play. With Virtual Desktop actively running in your VR headset, simply open the Roblox Player application on your personal computer as usual. Once it launches, navigate through the game menu and select your desired Roblox experience to join. The game should automatically display on your large virtual desktop screen within the immersive VR environment. You can then use your VR headset's controllers to interact intuitively with the game world and start playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.